Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I just wanted to show everyone a quick cleaning hack. Probably loads of houses have got shutters or Venetian blinds and they are really collecting dust very quickly. So what I was trying to quickly use for a household cleaning, it was actually a Hoover. Yes, so anyway, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a Hoover and trying to dust those Venetian blinds. As I'm going to come closer, you can see, let's just zoom in. Can I just run my finger through one of those and another one, and you can probably see all this dust already on it. I know it's quite a bit on it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the camera down on the windowsill and I'm going to put the Hoover on. It's going to be loud and I'm going to be doing cleaning, and obviously I need to do from both sides. Right, so let's get to cleaning. Just finished on both sides. Let's just turn it around and I will zoom in, and as you can see, well, I can't see any dust as well. Just check on the other side. Right, you go. Huge difference. In the amount of 5 minutes using a Hoover, you can actually clean those Venetian blinds very easily and quite effectively. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you. Bye now.